Welcome to our comparison of two innovative mini portable washing machines. Today, we will take a closer look at the SWOJG mini portable washing machine and the SRVVTO portable small washing machine. Both of these products are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for travel and small living spaces. We will discuss their key features, pricing, and what sets them apart in the market. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the SWOJG mini portable washing machine offers an 11-liter capacity, which is suitable for small loads, while the SRVVTO portable small washing machine has a slightly larger capacity of 13 liters. This difference may seem minor, but it can make a significant impact when washing multiple items, especially for families or during travel. The CRVTO's larger capacity allows for more flexibility in washing various items, making it a better choice for those who need to wash more at once. In terms of unique features, the SWOJG mini portable washing machine boasts S+ clean technology, which emphasizes eco-friendly cleaning and gentle washing for delicates. On the other hand, the SRVVTO portable small washing machine includes a spin basket that helps reduce drying time significantly. This added feature can be a game changer for users who want to minimize the time spent waiting for clothes to dry. Additionally, the SRVVTO offers a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind for buyers. Both machines are designed with portability in mind, making them perfect for travel, dorms, and small apartments. The SWOJG mini portable washing machine features a compact and foldable design, allowing it to fit easily into luggage or small storage spaces. Similarly, the SRVVTO portable small washing machine is also foldable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. However, the CRVTO's slightly smaller folded dimensions give it an edge in terms of portability, especially for those who prioritize space-saving solutions. In conclusion, both the SWOJG and SRVVTO mini portable washing machines offer unique advantages for users seeking convenience and efficiency. The SWOJG focuses on eco-friendly cleaning with its S+ clean technology, while the SRVVTO provides added value with its spin basket and warranty. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.